Hi, it's Dr. Barr, and today I would like to talk about how we treat hair loss or actually have a program for anti-aging for hair. So one of the things that I have worked on over the years is creating a product and a system so that we can help patients recover their hair if it's thinning, and also reduce the anti-aging effects of the hormones. That is something we'll get through after our 30s, that actually causes the hair follicle to start thinning and thinning, and it might take 9 years to die. But one of the most important things is that we need to first of all make sure we're having the proper nutritional ingredients for the hair follicle. And I put all these ingredients here. It's vegan, it's natural, there's no chemicals, no additives in there. Of course, it has a high dose of biotin, as well as all the minimum ingredients that you need to grow a hair follicle. But of course, it helps also with skin. Most of these are things that helps the skin and the nail as well. So when you're taking these pills with my hair anti-aging program, you will notice improvement in your nails as well as your skin. One of the things that I have worked on over the time is a hair regrowth. One is a shampoo that has the anti-DHT inhibitors. It has the DHT inhibitors, it has the anti-aging effects, it has all the nutrients. You would use this once a week. You really don't need to use it more than that. It comes as a kit. I tell people, please do not wash your hair every day. Some people do that. And if you wash your hair, I want it not to be mechanically irritated. Most of the people lose their hair up in the crown area or the front. So when you're taking a shower, please make sure that the water is not hitting mechanically strong. Twice a week you do the shampoo. The conditioning treatment that I ask people to use is the day before you are washing your hair, the night before or the day before for a few hours. First of all, you condition that hair. It's not what people do the opposite. They condition the hair after wash. You can still condition some of the ends of the hair with that. So shampoo and conditioner. The conditioner is to be used prior to the shampooing, a few hours before. And if you have a hot towel or something like that, or if you're in the sauna or opening circulation, it would be a great thing to use that before you go into the shower. So twice a week you do that. This is your serum. It's a natural, some essential oils, some follicle growing factors. So you would want to rub this in the scalp. I usually like people to do it once or twice a week as well. You would do it at night and sleep with it. If you are using stuff like to keep your hair looking like a gel shape or whatever, to keep the form, like some men like to do that, I prefer that you would use that a little bit on your tip with a little bit of the conditioning and add it into your hair. So it gives it volume, it gives it a cool shape, and it is non-toxic. Most of these gels or additives that people use are very toxic to the hair. Now, when patients come to the office, we usually use treatments. One of them is a laser treatment, or we use peptides. Peptides are very important and they help the hair to regrow. These are some pictures of patients, and I'm going to have on a PowerPoint some of the pictures of the patients before and after. Most of the hair loss would be this is the hormonal hair loss, as well as here for females. So a lot of times you want to make sure that we evaluate, we see the level of hair loss, and we can help you with the proper treatment. Most of the time, the very first one would be using peptides. Peptides are natural proteins. They're non-synthetic, so it's not minoxidil or Rogaine. We actually do a very mild infusion dermally of these peptides, and then we send you off home with your home kit and your home pills to take it home. And within 90 days, we see results. Most of the people with having an early first phase or second phase of hair loss, they usually get good results. So again, this is the early hair loss in females would be that. The first two is barely, just showing some changes here. It's hard to see it. In males, it's a little bit different, and males usually have a different type of hair loss staging, and we would evaluate that, decide where it is, if we need to do extra laser or stem cells after that, or PRP with stem cells or exosomes. That is another treatment that we can do further. But for most people, it is pretty reasonable. A few $100, you come in and do your anti-aging hair treatment or reversing the early stages of hair loss. Please call us at 949-706-1212. I can add some before and after so that you can see some of our results for our patients. We've been doing this for the last 10 years with great results, and it's natural. You can do it even if you have hair loss after the baby or you're breastfeeding. It doesn't hurt at all. Any chemicals in there. It is pretty safe, and people after chemotherapy again, and they want to maintain a healthy lifestyle, we can actually reverse the hair loss. Don't forget COVID. We had a lot of patients recently, the last few years, coming back after COVID with hair loss, or autoimmune disease that happens after that. We can help you. 949-706-1212, and come for a quick consult with us, and we will guide you in the right direction. Thank you.